8K TVs represent the pinnacle of visual excellence, delivering an unparalleled level of clarity and detail. With 4 times the resolution of 4K and an astounding 33 million pixels, these cutting-edge televisions redefine home entertainment. The result is an incredibly immersive viewing experience that brings movies, shows, and games to life like never before. Although 8K content is still emerging, these TVs utilize advanced upscaling technology to enhance lower resolution content, ensuring stunning visuals even with existing media. As technology continues to evolve, 8K TVs stand at the forefront, offering a glimpse into the future of ultra-high-definition entertainment. I included all the link in video description below. Now let's get started. Number 4. TCL 65 Class 6 Series UHD QLED Dolby Vision HDR Roku Smart TV. The ultimate entertainment powerhouse for your living room. With its impressive 65-inch display, this TV brings your favorite movies, shows, and games to life with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. Featuring QLED technology, the TCL 6 Series delivers a wide color gamut and precise color accuracy, ensuring that every scene is rendered with lifelike detail. Combined with Dolby Vision HDR, you'll experience enhanced contrast and brightness, making for a truly immersive viewing experience. Equipped with Roku's Smart TV platform, this TV offers seamless access to a world of streaming content. From popular streaming services to thousands of channels, you'll never run out of things to watch. Plus, with the included voice remote, you can easily search for your favorite shows or control your TV with just your voice. The TCL 65 Class 6 Series also features a powerful processor that optimizes picture quality and reduces motion blur, ensuring smooth and fluid visuals, even during fast-paced action scenes. And with multiple HDMI ports and a USB port, connecting your favorite devices is a breeze. Upgrade your home entertainment experience with the TCL 65 Class 6 Series UHD QLED Dolby Vision HDR Roku Smart TV. Get ready to be captivated by stunning visuals and endless entertainment options, all in the comfort of your own home. Number 3. Sony Bravia XR Master Series Z9J 8K HDR TV. The epitome of cutting-edge technology and unparalleled visual excellence. With its breathtaking 8K resolution and HDR capabilities, this TV sets a new standard for home entertainment. Featuring Sony's XR picture processor, the Z9J delivers stunningly realistic images with exceptional clarity and detail. Every scene comes to life with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and brilliant highlights, thanks to the precise control of the full-array LED backlighting. Equipped with XR Contrast Booster, this TV enhances the dynamic range, bringing out the finest details in both bright and dark areas of the screen. Whether you're watching a thrilling action movie or a nature documentary, you'll be immersed in a world of lifelike visuals that truly pop off the screen. The Z9J is not just about incredible picture quality. It also boasts impressive sound technology. With acoustic multi-audio and XR sound position, the TV's speakers are precisely positioned to match the on-screen action, creating a truly immersive audio experience that complements the stunning visuals. As a smart TV, the Z9J is powered by Android TV, giving you access to a vast library of apps, streaming services, and games. With Google Assistant built in, you can control your TV and other smart devices with just your voice, making it easier than ever to navigate and enjoy your favorite content. Number 2. LG Signature OLED 88 Z9 PUA Alexa built-in Z9 88/8 Hey Ultra HD Smart OLED TV. The pinnacle of luxury and innovation in home entertainment. With its massive 88-inch display and stunning 8K resolution, this TV delivers an unrivaled visual experience that will leave you in awe. Featuring OLED technology, the OLED 88 Z9 PUA produces perfect blacks and infinite contrast, resulting in breathtakingly vibrant colors and incredible depth. Every scene is brought to life with astonishing clarity and detail, making you feel like you're part of the action. Equipped with LG's powerful A9 Gen 2 intelligent processor, This TV upscales content to near 8K quality, enhancing the sharpness and richness of every image. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, you'll be immersed in a world of lifelike visuals that surpass anything you've ever seen before. With Alexa built in, the OLED 88Z9 PUA offers seamless voice control and smart home integration. Simply ask Alexa to change the channel, adjust the volume, or even control your other smart devices, all without lifting a finger. It's the ultimate convenience for a truly connected home. The LG Signature OLED 88Z9 PUA is not just a TV, it's a work of art. With its sleek, ultra-thin design and premium materials, it adds a touch of elegance to any living space. It's a statement piece that combines style and technology seamlessly. Experience the future of home entertainment with the LG Signature OLED 88Z9 PUA Alexa built-in Z9 888K Ultra HD Smart OLED TV. Prepare to be mesmerized by its stunning visuals, intelligent features, and exquisite design. It's time to elevate your viewing experience to extraordinary heights. Number 1. Hisense 8K Ultra HD Android Smart ULED TV HDR. The ultimate powerhouse in home entertainment. With its mind-blowing 8K resolution and HDR technology, this TV delivers an immersive visual experience that will leave you speechless. Featuring ULED technology, the Hisense 8K Ultra HD TV combines advanced picture processing algorithms with precise backlight control, resulting in stunningly vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast. Every detail is brought to life with exceptional clarity, making you feel like you're part of the action. Equipped with Android TV, this smart TV offers a world of entertainment at your fingertips. From streaming your favorite shows and movies to playing games and browsing the web, you'll have access to a vast library of apps and content. Plus, with built-in Google Assistant, you can control your TV and other smart devices with just your voice. The Hisense 8K Ultra HD TV also features Dolby Vision HDR, which enhances the dynamic range and brings out the finest details in both bright and dark scenes. Get ready to experience visuals that are true to life, with stunning brightness, color, and contrast. With multiple HDMI ports and USB ports, connecting your favorite devices is a breeze. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or watching live sports, this TV has you covered. Upgrade your home entertainment experience with the Hisense 8K Ultra HD Android Smart ULED TV HDR. Prepare to be blown away by its breathtaking visuals, smart features, and seamless connectivity. It's time to take your viewing experience to the next level.